yo. What is up, guys? Jamaicans came here with another reaction. Yeah. We're here, guys. We're here. I told you you're gonna see me over in this one. We're there for the next side. Yo, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, big up yourself. 𝐑𝐂𝐃𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, big up yourself. Khago, big up yourself. Thank you guys for the show that you guys are putting on. I am thoroughly enjoying it. I am thoroughly enjoying it. So 𝐑𝐂𝐃𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 is here with Gun Them Daily. Gun Them Daily. So this is a counteraction to Khago. I don't know if it's a counteraction, but it's a song after Khago's song, Friend Killer. So let's jump straight to the one and you read G say. Also, big up, special big up to each and every content creator that is reacting to this war or giving their input on this war. Big up on yourself. Whether on a bias or on unbiased, big up on yourself. We are all here doing the same thing. You understand? So big up on yourself for making content for the people them. You know? Because the people them love them thing, you know. So let's jump into that one and hear the G. I just had to big up the G them when we see out there on YouTube and do it too. You see me? Alright, so let's go. Hold on, this is the same rhythm as Khago Friend Killer. This is the same rhythm. This is the same rhythm. So who produces rhythm here? DR Real Money Entertainment. Warzone rhythm. Okay. Warzone rhythm in here. Arthouse, Clarendon. Mobby, up top.
If you walk with me, gun them girl. If you walk with me, gun them girl. Any boy violate a roadblock, chip up your face, bust them jelly.
You can't catch me flat-footed. You can't, brother. Me have to walk with my gun them daily. When you see me out, even if me not have my phone, just know that I have my gun. Me nah left it. Me nah left it. Me have it. Me have it. So don't try run up. You go get. Yo, I am utilizing the beep. 𝐑𝐂𝐃𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, let's go.
Any boy violate a roadblock, chip up your face, bust them jelly. Me have to walk with me, gun them dirty.
Walk with them.
Why you think me enemies have to fail? So from a boy violate a road, they have to bust them jelly. Me only have one life, me now make you live. Any boy violate, but these have to squeeze it.
My uncle have one life, brother. Me now make you leave me so. Brother, if you want me 3 points, you have to work for that. You have to work for that. Me not left myself careless. I'm have gun. You mad? Think me a 6 opposed with that? No. I'm gonna have to protect my head back and protect myself. What you feel like? If you want me 3 points, you have to work for that. Hard work too. You know? That's a way. That way. 𝐑𝐂𝐃𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 say. So don't try run up. You get fuck. Like crowd.
You only have one life, me now make you live. Any boy violate, but these have to squeeze it.
Yeah.
Enough of pussy when you part with you, them a friend killer, and that grieve me.
Enough pussy we are par with your friend killer, and that grieve him. So Khago got friend killer, and you say enough pussy where a par with your friend killer, and that grieve you. So what you said. So back in the days, there was preements between you and 𝐑𝐂𝐃𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, you and Khago. I don't know. I'm just asking the question. I don't know.
Crazy. Enough of pussy when you part with you, them a friend killer, and that grieve me. Enough way, come along with me daily. Hate me, but you tell me take me money, but you gonna hate it.
Man, I tell you straight. So enough pussy. Enough pussy. I'm not for people honest. I'm gonna say pussy. Hey, what did that par with me? Hate me. That's why I have to take my money and buy gun and hate it. How that's how the badness gone now. Rifles. Rifles tall up tall. So don't try run up.
Come along with me daily. Hate me, but you tell me take me money, but you gonna hate it. Don't watch them teeth with them smile, them a fake it. Get me paranoid crazy. Don't watch them teeth with them smile, them a fake it. Get me paranoid crazy.
No, say don't watch them teeth when them a smile. I know every king teeth a laugh. No watch them teeth when them a smile. Them fake. Them fake like go-go eyelash. Them fake. No watch them. Them not real. No watch them. You know?
No hate it. No watch them teeth with them smile, them a fake it. Get me paranoid crazy. Me have you walk with me gun them girl. Have you walk with me gun them girl. Any boy violate a road clock, chip up your fi bust them jelly. Me have to walk with me gun them dead.
Walk with them.
Why you think me enemies have to fair me? So from a boy violate a road, they also fi bust them jelly. A long pint full up the black thing ya. Dump sinner from your this it a fi knocking ya.
When you see me I roll out and pull out my black, don't tease as a water gun. A fireball in this. A fireball in this. Other tip.
A long pint full up the black thing ya. Dump sinner from your this it a fi knocking ya. Make blood stain up shirt like that napkin ya. Tell them a wildlife Godzilla. Me not
make blood stain up your shirt, dog. Remember see a wildlife thing, you know, Godzilla, you know. We're out. We're outside like veranda. We're out. What you fucking feel? Yo, me keep on missing the at beep. Sorry about that. Yo, we can't help it, dog. It just chip on nicely.
Stand up shirt like that napkin, yeah. Tell them a wildlife Godzilla. Me not just human like me just my gun. Situation shaky, me bust my gun.
Me not trust human, brother. Me not trust them. Me want Kimbo from up here, so. Me not trust them. Me trust my gun. Me trust my gun because of that me pray to. Me not left it. It have my back. Yeah, me not left it. Me can depend on this. Make sure it pull down. It grease up. It aisle. Test it few times. Clap too tight and make sure it work. It not jam. Yeah. Had test it there. Where you still Kimbo? Put on your hand, idiot. Put on your hand. Where you Kimbo up there, sir? Yeah, girl. Put on your hand, man. Ciao. Let's go!
Me not just human like me just my gun.
Yeah.
Situation shaky, me bust my gun.
Yeah. If a situation get shaky, me not ask no question, me a bust it and ask question after. What you feel? What the fuck you feel? I can big up.
Make your stagger tell you what's on round. Situation shaky, me bust my gun. This will make your stagger tell you what's on round. Bust one rounds. Me have you walk with me gun them belly.
Man said, yo, this will make you stagger like you, brother. This will make you stagger like you been a drink rum. You're staggering. Ray and his nephew. You're staggering. Permanent too.
Bust one rounds. Me have you walk with me gun them belly.
Have you walk with me gun them belly.
Any boy violate a road clock, chip up your fi bust them jelly. Me have to walk with me gun them daily. Why you think me enemies have to fair me? So from a boy violate a road, they also fi bust them jelly. Me have to walk with me gun them daily. Have to walk with me gun them daily. Any boy violate a road clock, chip up your fi bust them jelly. Me have to walk with me gun them daily. Why you think me enemies have to fair me? So from a boy violate a road, they also fi bust them jelly.
Yo, the fact that them up on the same rhythm, like it. Me like it. Honestly speaking now, this is a good song. This is a good song, general song. Me not hear him answer nothing where Khago say in a friend killer. Me not hear him address anything from the mother situation from the round there or nothing. So I think this is just a genuine wise up song. Like me have to walk with me gun them daily. Like yeah, me have it. I go walk with it for protect my 3 points. You understand? But the fact that them up on the same rhythm, nice. Me like it. This how the war reach now. And we never see a war like this in a dancehall before. We never see a war like this. This is history right in front of our eyes. 2023 history. You understand? Yeah. So Octane, big up yourself. Me have to walk with me gun them daily. For real. Not for fake. No. You know? Yeah. Khago, big up yourself. Octane, big up yourself. Thanks for the show when I put on, dog. You understand what I sit here? Yeah. Like me say in the start, big up the other content creator them that is focusing on this war. normally I'm a streamer. Normally I stream, I play games and stuff, but I've been abandoning those other channels. I've been abandoning TikTok. I'm here because they were nice. They were nice, and somebody have to pay the price. Anyway, this is how I'm gonna leave the one. If you enjoy the reaction and want to see more, leave a like on this video, subscribe around there if you're new, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Me have to walk with me Gundam daily. I have to walk with me Gundam daily.